Hi, in this video I will show you how to debug PHP error effectively step by step so you can fix your code and get back to building amazing websites. Let's dive in. Before we jump into debugging, let's quickly understand the type of PHP errors. PHP errors typically fall into four categories. The first one is syntax errors. Those happens when there is a mistake in the structure of your code. Second is warnings. Those are non-critical errors that don't stop your script but need attention. The third one is noticed. Those highlight potential issues like using an undefined variable. The last one is fatal errors. There are critical errors that stop your script entirely. The first step to debugging PHP errors is ensuring that error reporting is enabled. By default, errors might be hidden for security reasons, especially on live servers. Here is how you can enable it. In your PHP script, add those lines at the top. If you are working locally, make sure display errors is enabled in your php.ini file. With those changes, PHP will show all errors, warnings and notice directly on your screen. Here are some best practices to keep in mind while debugging. Use version control like git to track and revert changes. Test your code in similar class to isolate issues. Use PHP built-in function like var_dump or printer to inspect variables. Comment out section of course to pinpoint the problem. Always debug locally, not on a live server. And that's it. With those techniques, you can debug PHP errors effectively and save a lot of time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more web developing tips. Got a specific error you did like me to cover? Drop it in the comment below. Thanks for watching and have a good